Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit 4K videos if your PC doesn't support the 4K videos. So we are going to use Wondershare Filmora for this purpose. First, I will show you that how you will know that your system is supporting 4K or no. So first thing, let us import the video. If you click on plus and if we play the video, you will see the lag. The video is not playing smoothly. So now I will delete this from the timeline and from here as well, and before that we will change the settings of Filmora. So the main setting which you have to do to edit the 4K videos in your desktop is your Wondershare Filmora. Click on file, click on preferences, then click on performance. Under proxy, you have to enable automatically create proxies when media resolution is higher than this resolution. So you can reduce or you can increase. So you can select as per your choice. Click apply. We will close the Filmora and we will open new project again. Now once I will import the video, here you go. Here it will ask me a resolution of your video is higher than the project resolution. So what I will do, I will keep the project settings and later on I will tell you how to match again with this settings. Once you select the key project settings, here you will see the progress. It's loading, and depending on the size of your video, it take a little bit time. So we will wait until it completes and then I will show you the ending part of export. The processing is finished. Now if I play the video again and see the result, now you can see the video is playing without any lag. So the next step, we will just do a small editing for this video. For long videos and for the short videos, the process is same. So the main part comes at the end when you export the video. So I will click on export here. Here will write down the title. The main part is here. The resolution of project was 1920 by 1080. So here we will select its actual resolution, which was 3840. We will also click on advanced and here frame rate we will increase up to 60 fps. If you are shooting with the camera with 120 fps, you can also select the 120 fps as well. Bitrate you can increase up to 100,000 or 80,000. So click apply. Here you will notice that the size of video will be increased as showing before. Again, I will show you if you click on advanced and if you increase the bit rate, let's say I'm going to take it to 100,000 and click apply, you see the size increased again. So we'll click on export. So while exporting, it depends on your video length. If it's more than 2 to 3 minutes, and again if you are exporting in 4K, then it might take a longer time than usual. So converted successfully. Now let me show you the result of this video. So here is the video which we just edited. If I right click and then click on show more properties and details, you can easily see here frame width, frame length, and also the frame rate which we adjusted at the end while exporting the video. So this way you can easily edit the 4K videos if your system does not support or don't have any dedicated graphic cards. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.